Let's take a look at this 9-piece kitchen knife set that was gifted to me by the brand, but that never changes what I say in my reviews. And I was interested in this knife set because I've used a few sets of German knives for the past 30 years, but they're incredibly expensive and honestly, not all that special. My current knife set was showing its age, and I was wondering if this set could be the replacement set that I was needing. And this set is gorgeous. They've used a laser etching process to give the knives the appearance of Damascus steel, so it looks incredible. But if you'll permit me to nerd out for a moment, the blades are actually made of what's called 7CR15MOV, which is a high carbon stainless steel known for good corrosion resistance and easy sharpening. And the acronym comes from the composition that also includes 0.7% carbon, 15% chromium plus molybdenum and vanadium. And this material has a hardness of 56 to 58 on the HRC. And HRC stands for the Rockwell Hardness Scale C, which is the universal standard used to measure the hardness and durability of steel blades. And 56 to 58 on the HRC is equivalent to what you'll see in high-end German knives. So these are right up there. So these are hard and they cut really well. To test how well they cut, my wife and I cut a couple of heirloom tomatoes. And this was just really fun because getting those new knives reminded me of when I got my first set of good knives. I've been to college and the knives we had back then were just awful. You literally could not cut a tomato with them. You could only squish the tomato. We did have one serrated knife we used since it was able to cut, but the serrated blade mostly just ripped the tomato rather than slice it. But once I finally had a set of real knives, I realized what I'd been missing all along. And these knives are just so clean when slicing. You don't even need to use any pressure. So to demonstrate that, in this clip, I'm holding the knife with my fingertips and just letting the blade do the work with literally zero extra pressure. It's just the weight of the knife and the blade doing the cutting, and it just slides through the fruit like a hot knife through butter. And the knives are also incredibly durable. In fact, they're dishwasher safe, which is not something you can always say about the German knives. But whatever you do, don't drop them into your dishwasher's utensil basket. I know that there are some other review videos that show this, but please, be kind to your knives. That edge is so sharp and thin and delicate, but it's gonna damage that perfect edge if you're banging it against your spoons and your forks. Instead, put it in a top rack and never touch the edge metal to metal. I'll also mention that the knives feel really balanced and comfortable in the hand, and the handles are as nice as the blades, but the entire set doesn't quite match up to the knives. Like I said earlier, I'll say what I say in my reviews, and while I appreciate the accessories they added, they simply aren't up to the quality of the knives. The peeler and the scissors and the sharpening steel really aren't that special. They seem sort of an afterthought and kind of make the rest of the set feel more budget oriented. I'm not saying they don't work, just that they're pretty basic. But don't let that affect your decision. Just think of the accessories as freebies and you'll be happy. The knives are the centerpiece here, and I think you'll be impressed like I was, especially at this price point. And I hope this short video has answered some of your questions and has helped you decide if they're right for your kitchen or as a gift to someone you love. And thanks for watching.